Imphal West District ki oina Special Intensive Revision SIR Summary Electoral Rolls 2026 Phase 3 hayeng May gi tang kuntra dagi BLO sing na home visit chat bahuragani Final Electoral Roll na September thagi tang tarukta fonglagani haina Imphal West District ki DC Myang Lambam Rajkumar na fongdokhrei Lamfelda leiba Imphal West District ki DC office tanga se pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada wafam asi fongdokladna mahakna hai Special Intensive Revision SIR Summary Electoral Rolls 2026 Phase 3 ga mari leinana BLO singna house to house visit chatkadoriba se June 19 fawba tha ama chupna chathagadabane house to house visit chatlingai matam haibadi June 19 fawbada polling station sing Rationalization tawbagi thabak so pangtokane loinana July 5 da electoral roll ge draft publication fongane hariba draft publication asida claim amasung objection tawnabagi matamna July 5 dagi August 3 fawba oigane claims amasung objections sing disposal tawbagi matamna July 5 dagi September 2 fawbane hariba mathau taba processing asi loiraba matungda September 3 ta final electoral roll fongane district asigi oina SIR exercise tawbada electoral lakh ahum Lising Marifutara Chama, Marifutara Taru cover togane, Masigi Manunda Nupa water masing na lag ama, lising Marifu mga sup na mangani, aduga nupi water na lag ane, lising mga sup na Marifutara humduini, aduga third gender water na sup na degi, Marifutara Nepal ni, SIR asi Pangtok Nanaba District Election Officer, Imphal West District Electoral Registration Officer Tarahumdoi, Assistant Electoral Registration Officer Tarahumdoi, Amasung Boot Level Officer, Chamanga Kuntra Sem Sadun Lady Eligible Oiba voter coding mug Chithaba Laitana electoral roll da Habnanaba Masung eligible Oidaba voter singna electoral roll the gay Lotok Nanaba Pangtok the process as a hena mai pakna Pangtok Nanaba Amadi Achumba electoral roll ama Oinana Bokot Nabada Miamna Cooperation PPU Haina DC Mia Lambam Rajkumarna Abdul Torakli
2005 ki koigi SIR gi lissi thetuoga thambinaba madhumaso ekoi direction pijari masi ekoi ARO sing na comply tornaba kupni yengsin minasi so that kanagumba individual amana elector amana mana BLO du phone mak tawdraga su isai sana su chatlaga admaina yengba yana bagi provision su thamjagani aduga darkar taba volunteers and then other help and assistance ARO gi kuthangda ARO gi kuthangda tawba yaba darkar taba khuding muktu su ekoi extend tawjagani aduga sathariba SIR sina koina Manipur pamliba clean noiba electoral roll ama semgat nangai honabada masisu masi khaktani haibanate masisu step amani haibasi mayamna lokshin minnaraga SIR gi paikhalakadoriba thabak thoram singsida cooperation PBU aduga clean noiba proper oiba electoral roll ama semgalak pangamna ba koi khudingmak hotnaminasi haibasi district election officer ki office ki site tagi thamjagi